Hi guys, so I did this video on my foundation shades and it was very popular and people find it very useful. So I've had a lot of requests to do a very similar video, or the same video, but for my concealer shades. So this is going to be a lot longer than the foundation video. Here's my concealers. Glossier Stretch Concealer. Great shade for me, but the concealer just isn't quite right. Dark Foncé at 30. The NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer and shade Biscuit. Spoiler alert, my shade in all NARS concealers is Biscuit. I also have the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in Biscuit, and then I have this just like stick concealer. I don't know what it's called, but I really like it. I'm really loving it recently. Also Biscuit. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer. I have got 8 and 7, so I use 8 to conceal and then 7 to brighten, and then I blend them both together. I do that with a lot of concealers. I use 2 shades, 1 to conceal, 1 to brighten. Then I've got the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. You know I love this. I've got a video on this. In this I use 4W to conceal and I use 3WO to brighten. To be fair, I could probably just go with 3WO. It brightens and conceals together. That's what I'm wearing today and it just kind of does the job. I probably don't need 4W unless I've got like really dark circles I need to counteract them so they don't look grey. So Urban Decay, I have got this Stay Naked Concealer, which is the newer version of the old Stay Naked. But anyway, in here I'm 50 WY, so that's 50 Warm Yellow. And then in the All Nighter, Medium Dark Neutral. I only have one MAC concealer. The other one got really funny, so I had to throw it away. It was like about 10 years old, to be fair. You know, the one that comes in a little pop. So this is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer and I've got NC42. I use this still to cover like breakouts and stuff. I don't use it under the eyes, it's too thick. Aqua Luminous Concealer, my HG Tan. Bobbi Brown, basically everything in Bobbi Brown, I'm Honey. So this is the Instant Full Coverage Concealer in Honey. Fenty Beauty, I have 2 shades again, 1 to conceal and 1 to brighten. So I use 330 to conceal and then 310 to brighten. I could probably just use 310 to be honest, but I just don't like sometimes looking a bit grey under the eyes if you go in too light straight away, so that's why I tend to use 2 shades. Laura Mercier, I have the Flawless Fusion Concealer and I use the shade 3W. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Could you please comment below if you think you're around the same kind of colouring as me and let me know if you use this concealer, what shade you use. I have got 37G, which is medium tan golden. I personally think it's a little bit too yellow, so let me know what you would recommend. Maybelline Instant Age Eraser Concealer and I use the shade, it's rubbed out sand, I think. It's the Touche Eclair, it's the YSL Touche Eclair High Cover Concealer. So it's different from the Touche Eclair, which is basically a highlight, and this is the concealer, and I use the shade 4. So I hope you found that video useful. Comment below, let me know any questions or any shades you recommend and any other concealers, and definitely let me know about the shades in the Shape Tape. I will speak to you guys soon. Bye guys!